Good day everyone. This is your Abdel Nasser T. Saradi from BSN 2C. Subject PED 004 Volleyball Skill Setting.
Good day everyone. Today we're going to demonstrate and explain the skill of setting.
Setting. Setting is used to prepare the ball for an attack or spike. And that is the proper way of setting. In setting, the ball is contact above the forehead using the fingertips. The hand should form a triangle shape and the fingers should be spread. The player must push the ball upward with a control and accuracy. The body should be positioned under the ball and the player should face the target to ensure proper direction. Tips: use fingertips, not palm. Keep the ball above your forehead. Extend your arms fully. Face your target. Here's are the common mistakes in setting. First, using palm instead of fingers. Holding the ball too long. Wrong hand position. Not facing the target. Setting is important because it prepares the ball for scoring. That is the proper way of setting.